Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon naman, gagawin ko ang Who's More Couples Edition. First time ko ngayon with my ex-girlfriend. Because yung ibang ngayon, silang lahat ay current girlfriend.
Hello!
Who's more grumpy?
Siya! Grabe! Yun lang.
Who's more malambing?
Ako yun! Lalo na pag naka na.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG.
Program ko rin siya.
Who's more generous in giving gifts?
Ako yun.
Ay, hindi. Minsan nila, ni once, alam mo, mabibilang ko, parang ako yun.
Who's more strict parent?
As
Ako.
siya yun.
Parang ako yun, yes.
Who panics more?
Siya.
Who's more the joker and makes the best jokes?
Depends kung sino ang kasama.
Who's more naughty?
Ay, ako yun. Lalo pag naka
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG.
Tamad-tamad naman. Who eats food more?
Ay, ako yun.
Who likes sweets?
Not me.
Who's more of the kuripot one?
Napaisip ako doon.
Wala.
O, parang hindi eh.
Who's more of the favorite parent?
Ako yun, syempre.
Who travels more?
Siya.
Who gets scared more of horror movies?
We
Hindi
don't
kami
watch.
nanonood eh.
Who is more likely to say I love you first?
Ay, ako yun.
Sabi mo nga. I love you?
I love you.
Love you, love.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG.
Who is more likely to forget where to put their keys?
Siya.
Their kiss?
Oo.
Susi.
Ah, susi.
Mas nakakawala.
Ako. Hindi ako naghahawak ng susi, kaya wala.
Who is more likely to get lost while driving?
Siya.
Who is stay up late more?
Ay, ako yun.
Who is more likely to be the messy one?
Siya din.
Messi sa ano? Sa anong bagay?
Gamit. Ha?
Oo, burara, ganun.
Ah.
Who has no sense of direction and gets lost?
Ay, ako yun.
Who is more of the hot-headed one?
Siya pa rin.
Who is more likely to eat a fancy meal?
Not me.
Parang wala.
Palengke, wala.
Parang wala.
Who is more likely to be the better listener?
Me.
Who is more likely to write love notes?
Me pa rin.
Who is more likely to initiate a kiss?
Wala.
Wala nang kiss, diretso na. Kiss.
Who is more likely to initiate cuddling?
Well, matanda na kami.
Cuddling? Pag naka-90s, pwede.
Who is more likely to plan romantic dates?
Hindi na, wala na kami noon.
Who is more likely affectionate in public? PDA. Huwag mo ganun.
Hindi kami PDA.
PDA?
Mm-mm.
Sige nga, kiss nga.
Who uses social media more? Okay.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Sana huwag kayong magsawa. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye! See you next time.